Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal, Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we are giving you an alternative to those regular starchy potato french fries that we all love so much. But these are pretty good too, so I hope you'll give them a shot with us with the star of the show, the turnip. Now the whole idea here is that you're getting pretty close to a regular french fry without all the carbs, because a potato has about 37 carbs and also has about 163 calories. Whereas one of these guys, a medium-sized turnip, has about 34 calories and only 8 carbs. What does that feel like when you karate chop it?
Wax.
What kind of wax? Like a what?
Candle.
Like a candle, kind of. So this is called a wax turnip, and this is called a white turnip. And what does that kind of look like to you?
Radish.
It looks like a radish. And so the idea here is that if we were to flip this over and show you the difference between these two kinds, this is what color?
Gold.
Gold.
White.
And white. So the golden turnip, the wax turnip, is actually better for cooking. I don't think I'd want to eat that raw. In fact, I tried a little nibble of it. Wasn't my favorite. This, however, a white turnip raw, is very, very good in salads. It's nice and crisp and fresh tasting. However, I also made some turnip fries out of a white turnip, and they were my husband's favorite. So you can really use both. Ideally, though, you want to use a roasting turnip. Now these are kind of accessible, especially the wax turnip, everywhere you go. The white turnip, this guy, probably in more like a farmer's market. The roasting turnip, definitely in a farmer's market. And the one locally is only available on Sundays, and I missed the boat on that, so I only made them out of these. So the first thing you want to do is line your pan with parchment paper and set your oven to 425 degrees. We want to peel and cut your turnips until they are in basically French fry shapes, and then mix them in a bowl with a tablespoon of avocado oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, paprika, garlic powder, and just a pinch of salt. And that's for about 2 medium turnips, or 1 of the wax turnips that's about that size. Bake it for about 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it if you want it to be extra crispy, or if you want to reheat them, throw it under the boiler for just a couple of minutes. The broiler, not the boiler. Throw it under the broiler for just a couple of minutes.
Broil.
And that's about it. And then you have your french fries. And you had some last night. What did you think?
Which one was which?
I think you liked the wax turnip better.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, and Daddy liked the white, and Mommy liked them both. And we hope you enjoyed them as well. And we will see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye.
Bye. And it's the pot one. I like this one, Daddy likes this one, Mommy likes both.
Set up so they can see you in frame.
You're centered. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
All together in a bowl, so they were nice and coated. Please stop. Okay, sorry, he was driving me nuts with the karate chopping. I can't thing though, because stop karate.